Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn how to use the Revolve, Hold, Chamfer, and Fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. So we'll create this sketch here. And we use the Revolve feature to make this body. Okay, so open the Fusion. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 60 millimeters. Make a line here with 20 millimeters. Another line here with 30 millimeters. And close the sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 25 millimeters. And now go to modify, select the fillet. The fillet here is 6 millimeters of radius. And we have a fillet here with 6 millimeters of radius. Okay, we made this. So finish the sketch. Go to Revolve. The profile is this one and the axis is this line. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we'll create this hole here. This hole has 25 millimeters of diameter through all this body. Okay. And in this edge, we have a chamfer with 2 millimeters. So go to create, select hold. And the extend, select all. The hole type, select simple. And select this face here. The diameter is 25 millimeters of diameter. And here to take a reference, select this circle here to add reference and press OK. We made this. Okay. Let me inspect this. We made this. Okay. Now we need to create a chamfer in this edge. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here. The chamfer here is 2 millimeters of chamfer and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will create these 4 holes here. So to create this hole, we will make the reference points. So the distance between this point and the midpoint will be 40 millimeters. Okay. Or you can create this circle here with 8 millimeters of diameter and create this point and use the circular pattern to create the others. Okay. So open the Fusion. Go to create a sketch, select this face here, and go to create, select the line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line here with 40 millimeters, press OK. And now go to create and select the circular pattern, the object, select this point, and the center point, select the midpoint. The quantity here is 4. Press OK. We have 4 points here. Okay. Now finish the sketch and go to create and select the hole. And the placement, select the front sketch. Select this point here, this point, and this point here. This hole has 12.24 millimeters and the diameter here. And the distance here 3.5 millimeters and the diameter here is 5.5 millimeters. Okay, and it is through all this body. So the extend, select the all. The hole type, select the contour body. The diameter here is 12.24 millimeters. The distance here is 3.5 and the diameter here is 5.5 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now I will add some color here. So press letter A in the keyboard And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.